On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2022 Forest River Crusader 335RLP luxury fifth-wheel travel trailer. The Crusader offers an abundance of exterior storage compartments, allowing you to bring along all your gear and essentials without compromising your interior space. And you'll enjoy all that extra space as you experience the breathtaking outdoors through the oversized tinted windows. Let's step inside and discover the luxurious interior comforts that set this fifth wheel apart from the rest. The spacious dinette area offers the perfect setting for meals and gatherings with family and friends. Relax in the theater seating, designed for ultimate comfort and entertainment. Sink into the plush seats and enjoy movie nights or your favorite shows in style. Maximize your storage space with overhead compartments, and stay organized with a convenient entryway desk. Step into the luxurious bathroom, complete with a stylish vanity and spacious shower. Freshen up and rejuvenate in comfort, even on the go. The private bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a comfortable bed, ensuring you're always well rested for any adventure the next day may bring. There's plenty of storage all around, and washer and dryer hookups in the large front wardrobe if needed, or just use that area to create a large closet space. Heading back into the main living area, the kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring a center island with a deep sink, solid surface countertops, and high-quality appliances, making meal preparation a breeze. The kitchen is equipped with a 4-burner range, microwave, and a large side-by-side refrigerator. A large pantry can hold everything you need to create delicious meals wherever you roam, and for however long you plan to stay. With its well-appointed interior and thoughtfully designed features, it's the perfect companion for those seeking the ultimate travel experience. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.